In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add devices to Proton VPN. The good news is that Proton VPN makes this very simple. There isn't a separate process where you manually register or add a device inside your account settings. Instead, to use Proton VPN on another device, you just install the app on that device and sign in with your existing account. Once you do that and connect, the device becomes active on your account. To get started, install Proton VPN on the new device you want to use. If you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, go to the official Proton VPN download page and download the desktop app from there. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store and install the Proton VPN app. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, you'll find it in the App Store. Make sure you're installing the official app so everything works properly and securely. Once the app is installed, open Proton VPN on that device. After it launches, look for the Sign In option and click or tap it to move to the login screen. This is the point where you connect that device to your existing Proton VPN account. Next, log in with your account details. Enter your Proton email address in the email field, then type in your password. After that, click or tap Sign In. If your account uses any extra security steps, just complete them as prompted so you can finish accessing the app. It's a good idea to double-check your login details before submitting, especially if you're signing in on a smaller mobile screen where typing errors are common. After you're signed in, the final step is to connect the device. On the main screen, tap or click Quick Connect. This will automatically connect you to a suitable VPN server, which is the fastest way to get the device up and running. Once that connection is active, the device is now being used with your Proton VPN account. That's really all there is to it. If you want to use Proton VPN on additional devices, just repeat the same process on each one. Install the app, open it, sign in, and use Quick Connect. As long as you're using your own account credentials on supported devices, you can start using Proton VPN on them without any separate device adding menu. And that's how to add devices to Proton VPN.